What's up, everybody? It's Nick here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Republicans' new skinny stimulus package. We're going to talk about what it includes, what it leaves out, and whether it has any chance of passing in Congress. So stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Nick, I'm a lawyer, and on this channel I make videos about the stimulus package and stimulus checks. If you don't want to miss any of my updates on those topics, make sure to hit that subscribe button below right now and turn the bell notification icon on. Now, before we get started, I want to tell you about a giveaway that I'll be doing in my next video. I'll be giving away a $100 Amazon gift card to one lucky viewer who will be chosen at random. To enter to win the $100 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and then open a free WEBULL account using the link in the description below. In addition to possibly winning a $100 gift card to Amazon, everybody who enters this contest and opens a free WEBULL account will receive a free stock from WEBULL worth up to $250. You'll be supporting this channel because I will receive a free stock when you receive a free stock as well. So don't delay, go ahead and sign up for this contest and enter to win that Amazon gift card and get your free WEBULL stock. So now that you know about the giveaway and the WEBULL promotion, let's get into the video. So before we look at the terms of the Republicans' new skinny stimulus bill, let's look at how we got here. In May, the House of Representatives passed the HEROES Act, which was a massive $3 trillion stimulus package drafted by Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats. It was dead on arrival in the Senate, however, because the Republicans control the majority vote in the Senate. Then, fast forward to July of 27th. The Republicans in the Senate introduced their version of the next stimulus package, which was much smaller at $1 trillion. Then the two parties began negotiating, and we made very little progress. The House adjourned on their summer recess on July 31st. And then when the Senate adjourned on August 8th and went on their summer recess, we were left with no stimulus package passed. We were left where we started. On the following day, August 8th, President Trump issued 4 executive stimulus orders. And if you want to learn more about what is in those executive stimulus orders, check out my video on that topic by clicking the card in the top right. That brings us to August 18th, when the Republicans announced their new skinny stimulus package, which is meant to replace the HEROES Act of $1 trillion. The Republicans' new skinny stimulus bill is half of the size of the HEROES Act in that it is $500 billion in stimulus. So with that said, let's look at what is included in the new skinny stimulus package. First, you've got a $300 a week federal boost to the unemployment benefits. This would be similar to what President Trump has decreed by executive order, and it would just codify President Trump's executive order. The next thing you have is the COVID-19 liability shield that Mitch McConnell has been really adamant about including in the next stimulus package. That is in the Republicans' new skinny bill. You've got $105 billion going to school funding. You've got $29 billion going to coronavirus research, development, manufacturing, and distribution. You've got $16 billion allocated to coronavirus testing. The skinny bill contains a second round of PPP loan funding. And then finally, the new skinny stimulus package includes a $10 billion loan forgiveness to the United States Postal Service that was provided to them under the CARES Act. So next, let's talk about what is missing from the skinny stimulus bill. First, the Republicans' new skinny stimulus package does not include a second round of stimulus checks. According to the Republican aides who leaked the details of the expected terms of the skinny stimulus bill, they made no mention of a second round of stimulus checks. On top of that, you've got multiple news sources reporting that the Republicans' new skinny stimulus bill does not contain a second round of stimulus checks. That includes Politico, The Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, and The Hill. They have all reported that the new skinny stimulus bill does not include a second round of stimulus checks. That's surprising because the second round of stimulus checks was one of the few areas that the Republicans and the Democrats agreed on and that the American people desperately need. So to leave that out of the skinny stimulus bill is a little bit strange. Now, at the time I'm filming this video, we do not have the actual bill itself. We don't have the terms of the bill. We just have leaks from Republican aides. So stay tuned to this channel so that you don't miss any updates. When we get the actual bill, I'll make another video on that. The other thing that is missing from the Republicans' new skinny stimulus bill is the payroll tax holiday that we saw President Trump include in his recent executive order. If you want to know more about the payroll tax holiday, check out my video on that topic. You can do so by clicking the card in the top right of the screen right now. So at this point, you might be asking, does this have any chance of passing in Congress? My answer to that is probably not. It's highly unlikely that Congress will pass the Republicans' new skinny stimulus package because it is even smaller than the $1 trillion HEALS Act that Nancy Pelosi and the Democrats who control the House previously rejected. So for that reason, it's unclear why the Republicans chose to draft the skinny stimulus package. Some have said it is to gain negotiating leverage over the Democrats. Others have said it's to unify the divided Republican senators because many of them don't even want a new stimulus package at all, and this is smaller, something they can live with. But it still seems a bit of a waste of time because it is, quite frankly, dead on arrival in the House of Representatives. So that concludes my video on the Republicans' new skinny stimulus package. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like because it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so that other viewers get to watch it. Also, if you don't want to miss any of my updates on the stimulus package and stimulus checks, make sure to hit that subscribe button below right now and turn the bell notification icon on. And now it's your turn to share. Are you frustrated that we are no closer to having a new stimulus package passed than we were several months ago? Do you think Congress is doing a good job? Do you think they're doing their job? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching.